Welcome to Animal a Day. Quick Puss Moth facts. One touch equals agony. 1. There are two moths that go by the Puss Moth moniker, the Puss Moth proper and the Southern Flannel Moth. Today, I'll actually be going over the latter because it's more interesting in my opinion. 2. The Southern Flannel Moth was given the Puss Moth nickname because of its apparent resemblance to a pussycat, or more specifically, a Persian cat. 3. It is part of the flannel moth family, a fairly small family of about 240 species across the Americas. 4. South America contains most of the species, but there are around 11 in North America. The southern flannel moth specifically can be found among common trees and flowers on the southeastern seaboard and Gulf Coast of the US and parts of Mexico and Central America. 5. They look like a ball of fur with hairy wings and hairy legs. These brown, white, and black hairs are not hairs at all, but setae, a similar but different structure more akin to bristles. 6. Their larvae aren't as adorable. They're called puss caterpillars, and they're also full of setae, but also venomous spines that when simply touched causes immediate and horrific side effects. 7. One touch of the caterpillar's setae causes severe fiery pain in a wide area around the touch point. The pain has been compared to breaking bones or limb amputation. 8. Besides the pain, people who have touched them have experienced nausea, swelling, rashes, abdominal pain, excessive sweating, heart pain, numbness, trouble breathing, and anaphylaxis shock. 9. The puss moth performs complete metamorphosis, meaning it goes from egg to larva to pupa to adult. After hatching, it is a puss caterpillar and feeds on a variety of leaves from trees and crops. Once it has a sufficient amount of energy, they enter their pupa stage and eventually transform into the much safer to touch adult form. And 10. As adults, they're small, only measuring up to 1.5 inches or 4 centimeters. They also don't eat at all. They'll last until their body gives out on them, which is usually after mating. Since their entire life cycle lasts a few months at most, they don't need to. What they eat as caterpillars will sustain them for their whole lives. Thanks for watching. I'll take that subscribe button to the zoo.